In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check daily gains on Coinbase. First, open the Coinbase app on your phone or go to the Coinbase website in your browser and sign in with your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main view. If you're using the app, tap the Home tab to reach your dashboard. On the web, you should already be on your portfolio overview page. This is the central place that pulls everything together, so it's the best starting point. Right on this dashboard, you'll see your total account balance. This number represents the combined value of all your crypto holdings at current market prices. Depending on your version of Coinbase, you may also notice a small percentage or dollar change for the day shown next to that total. That quick snapshot tells you how much your overall portfolio has moved within the last 24 hours, giving you a fast sense of direction without diving into each asset. If you want to look more closely at a specific cryptocurrency, select it from your list of assets. Tap or click on the coin you're interested in, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This opens a detailed page with a price graph and a set of stats beneath it. Here's where you'll find the most precise view of daily movement for that individual asset. On the assets page, look for labels such as today's return, 24 hours change, or price change in last 24 hours. Coinbase may use slightly different wording, but they all point to the same idea: how much that asset has gained or lost over the past day. You'll typically see both a percentage and a dollar amount, which helps you understand not just the rate of change, but also what that change means in practical terms for your holdings. If you prefer to see how your entire portfolio has changed today, rather than checking coins one by one, some versions of Coinbase display a daily portfolio change at the top of the portfolio page. This might appear as a percentage, a dollar figure, or both. If you see it, that's your consolidated daily movement across all assets. A quick note to keep expectations clear. Daily gains shown on Coinbase are generally based on market price changes, not realized profits. In other words, they reflect what your assets would be worth if you sold at current prices, but they don't account for profits or losses you've actually locked in by selling. Also, values update as the market moves, and labels can vary slightly by app version and region. That's it. Sign in, check your dashboard, drill into an asset for detailed stats, and use the daily change labels to see your gains or losses.